Hi, it's Dustin McMillan, week 4 discussion, ITL 604. We were watching the video about teaching in the inclusive classroom, which is differentiating instruction when teachers try to figure out how individual students need to learn the information and comes up with activities to fit each of the learners' different skills. It's done with the inside of inclusive classrooms, allows students to select the activity on how they have learned the information. They come up with a way that students to show the knowledge that they've gained in the classroom, and gives them a selection of things to do. The example was the Greek mythology in the middle school. I know as a teacher in the classroom, I'm going to have to come up with innovative ideas for students, specifically when I start teaching younger students in elementary school. So I'll have to do things like use YouTube and find things that other students have done, Google, and collaborate with other teachers to come up that have more experience, that ideas that they've come up with. She used things like journals, skits, and charades, all active ways students showed the information that they had retained. You adapt to the students' different funds of knowledge and allows them to create fun ways to show in the classroom information, keeps them actively involved. This allows the students from different cultural and learning and language backgrounds to develop things where they can show the class and you as the teacher the information you've taught. During that time when they were creating those things, showed her being really proactive and walking around the classroom and asking open-ended questions, making sure they were preparing correctly and they knew what they were doing. She said something about using positive behavior measures in the classroom. She said something about 4 positives for every 1 negative thing that you talk to them about. That's something I do now as a flight sim instructor, as in the classroom and in the sim. So things that are going to be barriers for me are probably going to be patience. I'm always practicing patient, even now, for years as an instructor. But specifically when I start teaching younger kids, I'll try to be patient with them, allow them to ask questions, wait for them to develop answers, and just let them know that I'm there and invested in what they're doing as the activity. So other than that, look forward to hearing your replies, and thank you so much.